Hello everyone, today is 8th October 2021. I'm standing next to my second vanilla strawberry hydrangea just to show you how it is looking on the first week of October. It's just 1 year old, last year I planted. So whenever it rained, all the branches leaned to the ground, so once I tied it through thread, that's how they are not in the ground and they are little up. But see the color, that's what I wanted to show you. Here is the pink hibiscus. It is supposed to be pink, so it is very light pink. This is a new bloom. This is yesterday's bloom, so it is closed. This is also yesterday's old bloom. This looks it is new. This hibiscus is planted last year. So last year I think up to that height it was, and then after that it has grown up, but it was chopped up in the month of May. I think it was the lawnmower chopped completely, and then again it produced new branches. That's why it is blooming this October. Otherwise I think it would have been blooming in the month of July, August. But anyway, at least it bloomed. I was able to see the color of the bloom. And see that from the back, this cosmos. And I have a tomato plant here, which I did not know it will be this long. If you see, do you see? See the tomatoes? I did not know it will be that tall, so I did not give any support. So this is my west side. So I think 1 or 2 weeks ago I planted that hibiscus just to save the plant, and if it grows it is okay for me. I wanted to show you this kiwi. See, so this is I bought it from Home Depot. I think in February or March, maybe in March. I kept it the whole March and April inside the house, and maybe second week I think I planted it in the ground here, because last year when I planted in April, that died in because after that it was too cold few times, so it could not survive. That's why this year I made sure that I will not plant it outside too early. So this is the growth. See how the growth. I'm sowing it so that next year I don't know it will come back or not. I am hoping it will come back. It is hardy, but let's just see. And this is that starry night hibiscus. And I had also planted trumpet vine cutting here, which has root. See this one. This is the trumpet vine. And this is the arbori vitae. Then here I removed that, you can see that branch. I removed that sunflower, because the blooms were almost done. And this is a yellow mom. See how many birds, and see the clematis. And this is a purple lilac, and that is 4 o'clock plant. that is yellow daylily. Here this is the red altissimo, maybe its name, I think. So this is the climbing rose, and this is one weeping cherry plant, you see. So the branches were, from that base, very close to the base, the branches were leaning towards the ground. That's why, see these branch. So one day I tied them together so that the branch will be little up, and then they may distribute in the air. Otherwise I did not want the branches to touch the ground. Most of the branches, they were touching the ground only, because the divider was too close to the base. That's why I have tied this, so they will be little up and they will not be chopped by the lawnmower. See the cosmos from here. And this is a lavender. It is always hidden by other plants. So this is the lavender, smells very nice. Though I never used it. It is a herb. Yeah, smells very nice. I never used it, but I was excited to include in my garden. And this is one rudbeckia, which I planted there, few seeds. So when it was too young, very small, I think a month ago maybe, I transferred it here, and see the bloom. Thinking that because it is hardy, it will come back every year, and it will also multiply. So I thought, let it multiply here. So here means it is under this weeping willow. And see the 9-bark. Last year I planted in this sunflower plant. Still there are so many blooms. And this is, I think, last year or maybe last year I planted this plant, but by mistake it was also chopped off. So I don't see any bud to bloom. And I had few pumpkin branches, but hardly they grow. And I have another trumpet vine cutting there I planted. So one there close to that arborvitae, and then one here, then few, see the chocolate mint. And that is the, I think, what is that, Druan Zuhin climbing rose, that one. This is a raspberry. And then here also few hardy hibiscus small baby plant I planted. And these are the plants that was grown under my the big white hibiscus. But one hibiscus which is 3 years old under that tree, under that white hibiscus, bloomed pink. So now I'm confused. I'm desperate to see their blooms, whether they are blooming in white or pink. If it is pink, that means, I'm guessing, maybe the plant which originally I bought from Home Depot, maybe it was grafted. It was grafted in the root and branch of a pink one. That can be a reason. I may be wrong. I'm not sure. I'm just guessing. And that is few, again, chocolate mint. So season is ending. So whatever you see, they may not look like this. Once there is heavy snow, once there is if there is, it is very cold or there is a snow, then all these you will see, they will turn into black. So I can here, I want to show you, see. So pretty, right? So let me end my video today here with this beauty. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.